user input. This is a single variable byte. Is to accept the commands, and then you have a flag. It's very convenient to use the true or false flag here. So while condition is false, it will keep waiting for the appropriate valid commands. All the valid commands are listed in the switch case. You see here, it's the this is first command for tilt. This is for pen, and then you have the pound sign for the laser rangefinder, and then get the $ for image capture, and percent for navigation, asterisk for stop, / for sensor mode, and if there's no command, it just doesn't do anything. And if you enter a wrong command, it's going to say invalid command type. Okay, and I have some examples how to use it here. Okay, here's where it's going to process the command, and it's going to perform certain tasks once it recognizes the command as tilt or pen here. It's necessary to use this delay for the serial. Takes time for the serial all the data to go through the serial line going through the buffer. So 5 milliseconds of delay here to fill it up, and it's going to calculate the number of bytes available in the buffer. Okay, and it's going to print out for debugging purposes. And then after that, it's going to read from the buffer and store inside the input, and then it's going to send back what it received. And then this is the next part. So it checks again if the command is tilt and not pen. Yep. And then it's going to do like the increment of tilting instead of doing it all at the same time. So it reduced the jerking motion. Basically, that's what it's for. If else, that's why there's a delay, so it doesn't move so fast. Okay. Next part is the for the penning part. There's really not much to talk about here. And here's where you have the laser rangefinder. Basically, at first it's going to activate the laser rangefinder by sending U, the letter U, and then it's going to wait 2 milliseconds for you get the response, and it's going to send out a message ready, and then you're going to write R to take a measurement, and then we're going to store inside an array, and then we use the ATOI to convert string into an integer value for distance, and you're going to print it out. And then the next part is the image capture, which is basically turning on the pin high and low. It's not too complicated. And navigation mode is the %, here, and then it's going to wait for a second input from the command line, because you need the user to also enter like the number for it to determine whether it's going forward, backward, left, or right. Okay. And it has these the switch case and switch statement, and then it's 8, and it's going to go forward. It's going to adjust the pin high and low. It's going to make the robot move forward. Then 2 is backward, 4 is right, left, 6 is right, and then the next command is the asterisk to make it stop. All the motor control will go low. And the next one is the sensor part. Here, similar to earlier, got the / and then it also wait for the letter following that. A for accelerometer, C for compass, and then G for gyrometer. Okay, and I guess that's the end of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.